How to add icons in Figma to enhance your designs. Icons can really elevate your project, so let's get started. First, log into your Figma account and open the project where you want to add your icons. Make sure you're on the desired frame where you'll be placing the icon. So let's say I want to place my icon somewhere over here, right? So first, make sure that I have like this opened up, and there are several ways to add icons in Figma. You can either use plugins or even the Figma assets panel. So, or imported icons from external spaces. Like, let's explore some of them. So first up, let's use the built-in Figma assets. So let's click on the assets tab in the left sidebar. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to get that. So just go to the main menu at the left top corner, and all you have to do is go to the plugins option and go in this manage plugins, and this is where you have the assets. You can also use the plugins, there's no issue with that. This is the other way of putting in the icon, but I'm going to use assets. So all you have to do is type in anything you like. You can search for icons by typing keywords in the search bar. For example, if you need a home icon, just type home, which it's already there, and you can choose the desired home. There also like home for like a home screen. There's a literal one home icon. I was looking more like, this is more like what I was looking for. Simply hit insert, and now it is right here. And once your icon is on the canvas, you can resize it by dragging it from the corner or using the width and height over here. Yeah, so you can also choose the color, and you can also position it precisely by selecting it and using the arrow keys on the keyboard. And there you have it. You know how to add icons in Figma using different methods. Another way would be by using plugins, and yeah, icons can dramatically improve your design, so don't hesitate to use them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basic for more design tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy designing.